I wanted to share my experience with Upper Cervical Care and Dr. Besso. So backstory, I played college soccer. I had a lot of concussions, a lot of headers, and I was fine for years. And then all of a sudden one day I started having vertigo, weird visual distortions, nausea, brain fog, fatigue, ear fullness and ringing. And for about a year I was going to different doctors, getting imaging done, went to physical therapy, went to different chiropractors, and I wasn't getting much better. And then luckily met somebody who had gone to Dr. Besso for his own upper cervical care. And I remember after that first adjustment, I felt incredible. I thought I was cured, and it does take time. It was a rough first, 3 months of just kind of going through the healing process that they call retracing. And then, I started having symptom-free weeks and then months, and now I'm 100%, and I'm kind of just going to Dr. Besso to get put back in alignment and get checked out. And I really just want to, spread awareness of this, and also thank Upper Cervical and Dr. Besso for, giving me my life back. I mean, I was very depressed. I wasn't doing social things or doing hobbies. And, I was just had given up at that point, and, he gave me my life back. So I really want to thank him for that.